Hello guys, welcome back to Tanuja's Craft Box, and without getting further ado, let's get started. To make this beautiful pizza light, I'm going to use OHP sheet, marker or pen, scissors, measuring tape or scale, sellotape and small rice light string. Just for a better understanding, I have drawn a pattern over here. You can use it as a reference to make your own pizza lights. Make a few of this pattern on the OHP sheet. I have made 15 of them. Make the patterns using marker or pen and measuring tape. Repeat the process. It is looking something like this. Then cut the patterns and fold it inside on the marked lines. I hope you can see it, and if you are not able to see because of the transparent sheet, then don't worry, I will be showing it using the paper pattern. Please follow the step-by-step procedure for a better outcome. And yes, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notifications. Here I am just showing the same procedure on the paper just for a better understanding. sheet, close all the open sides using sellotape or transparent tape. Now using a glass outliner, I am doing the outlines to give it a pizza look. I'm just trying to draw some pizza topping shapes. I'm just enjoying the process of making this pizza light. These are some effects of extra cheese. Now color it using water based glass colors. I am using golden yellow here. For the toppings, I am using tomato red and crystal green colors. See, they are already looking beautiful like pizza. Now do some cut like a crust mark on the upper side of the pizza using a craft knife. If you can see, do the cut mark something like this. Now fix these pizza slices to your rice light string, something like this. Now your pizza lights are ready to be decorated. See how beautiful they are looking. So this Diwali, decorate your home with some pizza lights, and these are good for your health too. Okay guys, I'm done here. If you really like today's video, then do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Meet you on next Friday.